Sending notifications via iSupport rules. iSupport enables you to configure notifications to be sent automatically via email, desktop, and SMS. Notifications are sent via rules which perform actions when specified conditions are met in the construct of if this is true, then do this action. For example, you can set up a rule to send a notification if an emergency priority incident is initially saved. A rule will only run against an action item if it is included in a rule group. Rule groups are applied to incidents through customers, companies, category combinations, and templates. A default rule group will be used if none of these apply. This way, you can tailor rules to the specific needs and users in your company. There are two types of rules: on-save and time-based. With on-save rules, when an incident is saved, rules in the associated rule group are evaluated, and if true, their actions are performed. In this example, if an emergency priority incident has been created via email or initially saved by a rep or customer, a desktop notification will be sent to reps in the administrators group, and an email will be sent to the group associated with that incident. If a rule contains conditions with the customer work history added to incident, or acknowledged events, however, the rule will be triggered immediately when the event occurs, even if the incident hasn't been saved. To include notification-based actions, select one of the Notify actions in the Actions dropdown, and then select the recipient and then the notification. Click the Show Notification icon to display the contents of the selected notification. You can use the Create New and View Edit icons to access the custom notification screen. Use the Include field link to add field values from the record. The field will be included in brackets, and the field data will be inserted into the email when it is generated. If data does not exist for a required field, nothing will be inserted. The field area will be blank. The notification reply to address is specified in the default outbound email settings configuration screen. With time-based rules, work item timeframes are monitored and tracked, so the if-then construct includes a configured time frame. In other words, if this is true for this time frame, then do this action. A simple example is, if an incident status is open and priority is emergency for 1 hour, then notify the support manager. You can create time-based rules for all work item types except customer profiles. In this example, we'll add a rule with a short time frame to a mission-critical rule group and then associate the rule group with a server category. When the category is selected for an incident and the incident is saved, the category-based rule group is applied. When the incident is saved, rules in the associated rule group are evaluated. Timers start for any time-based rules. The conditions of a time-based rule define what triggers a timer to start, as well as how long the timer can run before defined actions are executed. The time-based rule agent runs every minute to monitor whether a time frame has been reached. It continually checks a rule's conditions against the work item and records the dates and times of the configured time frames. You can use the clock icon to display the exact date and time each timer will be considered exceeded and the actions that will be taken. iSupport includes many default notifications for both customers and support representative recipients, and you can display and copy them to create new custom notifications via the custom notification screen. All default notifications include iSupport in brackets preceding the subject text, but you can remove that text by creating a custom notification. That's it for the basics on sending notifications via iSupport rules. If you have questions, be sure to consult the online help. Also, our support team is available for a more in-depth walkthrough. Customer support is available by email at support@isupport.com and by phone at 360-397-1099, 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST, Monday through Friday, and 8 to 5 p.m. PST Saturdays and Sundays for critical system failures such as installation errors, inability to log in, or inability to create work items. You can also go to mysupport.isupport.com, iSupport Software's technical support website, to chat with support representatives, submit and view incidents, search the knowledge base, view facts, submit ideas, and participate in the user discussion forum.